Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to your Tangem wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then you have to click on this crypto option from the bottom menu. Then on the screen you will be able to see the amount of your cryptos. Now from here you have to click on this send button. After that a list of cryptocurrency will appear. So from here you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. I will just select the USDT from here. Then on the screen you have to select the wallet address. So if you haven't already added wallet address, you need to click on this add wallet address button. Then it's going to open up this screen. From here first you have to select the network that you want to use, and then in this second input box you have to paste the wallet address from your Tangem wallet. So just open up your Tangem wallet app and then click on this three dot menu at the top of your screen. Then from this screen you have to click on this wallet and then click on manage tokens. After that you just have to search for the cryptocurrency that you are transferring in your Tangem wallet. So in our case we are transferring USDT, so I will just select USDT and then click on it. Then you just have to enable the network that you want to use to receive your cryptocurrency. You have to enable the same network that you have selected in your Revolut. So I will just find that network and enable it, then click on this save button. And after you do that, your cryptocurrency will appear at the home screen of your app. So you just have to select it. Then you will be able to see this receive button, so just click on it and then you will get your QR code and wallet address, and then you just have to click on copy button. And once your wallet address will copied, you need to open up your Revolut app again and then paste the wallet address in this area, and make sure you have selected the same network as you have selected in your Tangem wallet, and then click on continue. Then your wallet address will be added on this screen. So from here just click on it and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on review transfer, and then it will give you the summary of your transfer. So just make sure to check your wallet address and the network is correct, and then click on this send button. And once you do these steps, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Revolut to your Tangem wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.